Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas memory.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pioneer Woman's Sour Cream Noodle Bake. You're going to need the following ingredients: 1 1/4 pounds of ground chuck, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, half a teaspoon of salt and freshly ground pepper to taste, 8 ounces of egg noodles cooked, half a cup of sour cream, 1 1/4 cups of cottage cheese, half a cup of chopped onions, this is optional, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. So the first thing you want to do is cook your hamburger meat. You can also use ground turkey, whatever you prefer. And once it's cooked, add in your can of tomato sauce. And then you're going to add salt and pepper to taste. Let that simmer for about 15 minutes, and then go ahead and start cooking your noodles. Once your noodles are done, drain those and set them aside. In a large bowl, go ahead and mix your sour cream and then your cottage cheese. The recipe calls for small curd cottage cheese. If you're not a cottage cheese lover, I promise you can't even taste it. You won't even know it's in this recipe. You're going to add your noodles into this mixture and then add salt and pepper to taste. If you're using chopped green onions in your recipe, this is where you would add that to this mixture. My family won't eat onions, so I just leave those out. Okay, this is where you're going to layer everything together into your baking dish. So you're going to take a 13x9 baking dish, or in this case I think I've got an 8x8 since it's just for my husband and myself. And you're going to start doing layers. So first you're going to put down your noodle mixture, and then you're going to layer your sauce mixture on top of that, and then you're going to spread a little bit of cheese. And once you've got that layer down, you're just going to repeat that and do your noodle layer again, your sauce layer, and your cheese on top. This recipe is very reminiscent of lasagna. Once it's ready, you're going to pop this in your oven and let it bake at 350 degrees for approximately 20 minutes, long enough for the cheese on top to melt. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. This recipe is so delicious and so easy to make. I usually make garlic bread on the side for us. If you guys decide to try this recipe, let me know in the comments whether or not you liked it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.